I'm Josh and welcome to Porfection, where we try to help you determine whether a Porsche is your perfect car. So today we have a quick take, one take owner's update on the service cost. So I recently took the car in for a service and an inspection, for a track inspection. That video will be coming up later this fall. And my CPO certified warranty was about to expire. So I kind of wanted them to go through the car, and that video and how that inspection and CPO saved me $10,000. You can see the link below to that update. But strictly as far as the service, so what they performed, at my request, they did a brake fluid change, and then what they called the intermediate maintenance service, and that's basically an oil change with a filter, the pollen air filter. So that added up to, again, the brake fluid was a few $100, and they didn't break that out, so they put it all under this intermediate maintenance service. So just the flush, a filter, and the oil change came to $1,020. Now they also put a few other miscellaneous fees in here for environmental fees and supplies for another $77. So with tax, the intermediate service came to just under $1,120. So, the last video I was kind of very positive about having the CPO warranty and that saving me a lot of money. The service cost, not so much, but wanted you to know what I encountered here. I've had the car and driven it for about 3,000 miles, and over $1,000. So for an oil change, basically. So they did the track inspection for free. They threw that in. So there you go. So we'll keep you updated on future cost, because I have a big one coming, as I was informed that on the next service visit, they believe that the spark plug should be changed. The car had no recent history of that being done, and just that supposedly is another $1,000. So with that, I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll have more content in the near future. Thank you.